Happy morning, students. Welcome to Blue Stars Higher Secondary School online classes. So, last few classes, we recall the lower classes, periodic classification of elements. So, we will start the periodic classification of elements and modern periodic table. Periodic table is very easy. Okay. So, now let us see about features of periods and features of groups, periodic trends in properties. So, features of periods. In the modern periodic table, Aristotle rows are called periods. So, there are what is this? 7 periods in the modern periodic table. The first periodic table, that is, the first periodic table contains the atomic number 1 and 2, that is hydrogen and helium. This is the very shortest period because this contains only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. The first one is first period. This is the shortest period because it contains only 2 elements. So this is called a shortest period, that is hydrogen and helium. Atomic number 1 and 2. The next one is second period. Second period. This is also a shortest period. Shortest period. The atomic number 3 to 10. That is lithium, beryllium, aluminum to neon. So it contains 8 elements. So the second period contains 8 elements. The atomic number is 3 to 10. The second period contains atomic number 3 to 10 and it contains, the second period contains 8 elements. This is also called a shortest period. The next one is third period. Third period. It contains the atomic number 11 to 8. 11 to 18. So this is also called a shortest period. Shortest period. Because it is also contained what elements? 8 elements. The third period also contains 8 elements. So this is called a what is shortest period. The next one is fourth period. So the fourth period contains atomic number 19 to 36. So this is a long period. Long period because it contains 18 elements. 18 elements. So this is called a long period. Potassium to krypton. The fourth period contains potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton. So the fourth period contains totally 18 elements. So this is called a long period. The next one is fifth period. Fifth period. The fifth period contains atomic number 37 to 54. So this is also a long period because it is contained the same for the 18 elements. This is contain 18 elements. Rubidium to xenon. The fifth period contains what is this atomic number 37 to 57. 37 is a rubidium and 54 is a xenon. So rubidium, strontium, lithium, zirconium, niobium, technetium, lithium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine, xenon. So the fifth period contains a totally 18 elements. So this is called a long period. The next one is sixth period. Sixth period. So the sixth period contains atomic number 55 to what is this? 86. So this is the longest period because it contains what is 32 elements. This is the very longest period. Very longest period. It contains what is 32 elements. Cesium to radon. So this sixth period includes 8 representative elements, 10 transition elements and 14 inner transition elements, that is lanthanides. Inner transition elements, that is lanthanides. This is the lanthanides into the sixth period. That is cesium to radon. So the sixth period contains atomic number 56 to 86. This is also a longest period because it contains 32 elements. The next one is seventh period. The atomic number is 87 to 1180. The scientists identify which elements? 118 elements. So the seventh period contains the atomic numbers 87 to 1180. So this period also contains 32 elements. Recently, the 4 elements are added in this period by IUPAC names. So this is also called the longest period because this contains 32 elements. So this is the features of periods. The first period, second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period, sixth period, and seventh period. So in the modern periodic table, there are only 7 periods. So this is the modern periodic table. So the Aristotle rows, that is hydrogen and helium. That is the what is this periods? 1 period, 2 second period, this is the third period, this is the fourth period, this is fifth period, this is sixth period, this is the seventh period. So the bottom of the columns, that is rows, lanthanides and actinides into the 87 to 57 to 71 and 89 to what is this 103. So these two rows are included two columns. Okay, so this is the modern periodic table. You will refer in your book page number 108. Now let us see about features of groups. In the modern periodic table, there are 18 groups in the periodic tables. The vertical columns in the periodic table, that is called, what is this? Groups. So what is this? Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. That is top to bottom. Top to bottom. This is called as a what is it? Groups. Some of the common characteristics of the elements. These groups are can be various families. That is the group 1. Totally there are 18 groups. So group 1 is called as alkali metals because except hydrogens, valence elements react to water to form solutions. So these solutions to check with the litmus paper turned into red to blue. So these solutions are said to be highly alkaline or basic. So this is called alkali metals. This second group is alkaline earth metals. They combine with the group 2 elements combined with oxygen to form oxides. So it is called as earth. So this oxide produce alkaline solutions and it is dissolved in water. So these elements are called alkaline earth metals. Group 3 to 12, that is scandium to what is this? Copernicium. So this is called a transition metals because this metal intermediate to the metal and non-metals. So group 2, 3 to 12 elements are intermediate to the metals and non-metals. So this is called a transition metals. So எல்லாருக்குமே ஒரு ஃபேமிலி நேம் இருக்கும். சில பேருக்குலாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவங்க நேம் வச்சு அதுக்கு ஃபேமிலி நேம் வச்சுருப்பாங்க. அதே மாதிரி தான் சேம் ஃபார் தி எலமெண்ட்ஸ் to give a family names. So group 13 called a boron family because this is an top to the group. So this is called a boron family. Next one is carbon families. Same reason for the carbon family. So this is the first in the group. The next one is group 15. This is called as a nitrogen family. Next one is 16. This is called a oxygen family or chalcogen families. The next one is 17. Halogen families. The next last one is 18 group is called as noble gases. So these are the family with the groups. Next one is lanthanides and actinides called as a inner transition elements because the lanthanides and actinides to the 57 and 89. So these 14 elements, 14 to 14 elements inside the part. So this is called the inner transition element. So all the elements group wise, all the elements present the valence electron in this same valence shell and the same valency except group 18. Except group 18, all the elements, each group have the same number of electrons in their valence shell and thus same valency. For example, all elements of group 1 have the 1 electron and their valence shell is 1s1. So the valency of the alkali metal is 1. So all the elements present in a group have identical valence shell electronic configuration and they possess a similar chemical properties. For example, we have to given in the group 3. The group 3 elements have a what is this? Same chemical properties and identical valence shell electronic configurations. So the physical properties, that is melting point, boiling point, density, are that gradually vary. So the physical properties are gradually vary with the elements. Next one is the atoms of the group 18 elements have this stable electronic configuration in their valence shell and hence they are unreactive. So group 18, this group have the stable electronic configuration. That means that the shell is filled with electrons. So this is the stable electronic configuration. So these noble characters do not react with any other elements. So this is the features of the groups. So you will write in the important points right to your observation note. Okay. All of you don't write it. For example, lanthanides and actinides are called inner transition elements. The next one is all the elements present in group have identical valence shell electronic configuration and chemical properties. The physical properties are vary gradually. So these are the important points are right in the observation note. So in this class we have to discuss about the features of periods. There are 7 periods. That is the first period, second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period, sixth period, seventh period. So the Aristotle rules that is called periods. Next one is features of groups. There are vertical columns in the modern periodic table that is called what is groups. There are 18 groups in the modern periodic tables. So what is the modern periodic table? What are the features of the periods? What are the features of groups? How to propose the theories of early concept, etc. We have discussed in this unit. Next we have discussed periodic trends in properties, atomic radius, ionic radii, etc. We will discuss future class. Okay, thank you.